In this video, we discuss about assignment operators. Right? Assignment operators. In previous video, we discussed about arithmetic operators. Now we discuss about assignment operators. Assignment operators are the operators used to assign values to the variables. The main purpose of assignment operators is to assign a values to the variables. That's all. Okay, here are some of the assignment operators equals to plus equals to minus equals to star equals to division equals to modulus equals to division equals to c. Many assignment operators. I'll show you some of the examples so that you can understand easily. First, you see these operators. Yes. Next, go for an execution purpose. Let's see. Assignment operators are destroying a equals to 5. So I'm printing this. 3, 8. Let us see what it get output. You get 5. That's 5. It's taking time. Yes. See 5. Next, 10 plus equals to. If you a plus equals to 5 means, what does it mean? Means a equals to a plus 5. It indicates like this. So you will get here 10. Sorry, no, it's not back here. So now we declare a equals to 5. So otherwise 3. Okay. Now you will get 3 plus 5 equals to 8. You will get 8. See, likewise, you have to perform these all operations. See what you get here. You will get here 2. See 2. A minus equals 3 means it indicates that A equals to A minus 3. So these are all things you see. I have given example here. Minus equals to means A minus equals to A equals to A minus 3. A star equals 3 means A equals to A star 3. A divided 3 equals to A equals to A divided by 3. A minus 3 equals to A equals to A minus 3. A no division equals 3. A equals to A no division 3. See, I have given the detailed explanation. This example, nobody can use it like this detailed explanation. So if you execute this, you get the output perfectly. So understand the concept. Next, if example, I will remove this. Take x equals to 5. Next, I want to print and directly print x equals to x star equals to 5. What you will get here? Okay, you will get 25. Let's check. See, where is it? Sorry. There's no problem here at least. X equals to star equals to 3. Index. Oh, it is working on because there is no problem on that here. 15 is it. Otherwise, it will keep here 5. We'll get 25. That means here directly I'm multiplying like x equals to x into 5. What is it before x value? 5. 5 into 5, 25. I think now you understand the concept. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next video will discuss about comparison operators. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.